Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. We always look for some breakfast recipes which are healthy, no sugar, and it keeps active for throughout the day. So here is my recipe. This is oats bites and a very healthy, no sugar added and a quick and easy bake recipe. So let's get started. Alright, so you might have seen my chocolate chip granola bar recipe. If you haven't yet, just check out the link below. I'm showing you one more recipe for granola bar. So I have just pretty much same basic ingredients, but just toppings are different. You can use any toppings. I have taken bunch of dry fruits, cashews, raisins, almonds, and these are white chocolate chips or white chips, and this is cinnamon powder, then vanilla extract, honey, salt, and coconut oil. So let's add everything. Again, you can use any sweetener. Honey is the healthiest one, I think. So, and honey glues it together, this binding, so I like honey. Let's add a pinch of salt just for that nice flavor, and bunch of dry fruits. You can use cranberries, fig, or any dry fruits of your choice. Few dashes of cinnamon powder. If you like, you can skip this just to give a different flavor to the granola bar. I'm adding that, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Alright, let's mix this and bake it. Very easy, very simple recipe, very healthy, nutritious recipe. Give that a good mix. Alright, so this mixture is ready to be baked. So preheat the oven on 325 Fahrenheit, and we will be adding this in a baking tray, a baking pan, and bake it for about 20-25 minutes. Alright, so instead of granola bar, I thought let's make it granola muffin, or we can just say granola bites. So adding some more coconut oil to just grease this little cups. Make sure you do it on the side as well, grease it on the side, because sometimes granola with the honey gets sticky. Even though it's a non-stick pan, I prefer some oil, and just 1 tablespoon of mixture. It's like bite-sized piece. We have to make this tight, like pat it like that. Flatten the surface. Cute little granola bites are ready to be baked. So I'm going to put it for about 20-25 minutes on 325 Fahrenheit oven. You can press it with the help of steel bowl. Press it nicely so that it comes out as a nice cup, small cup. Even the granola cups are easy, like bite-sized cups here. So this is my granola cup. Let's do one more. Just the trick is it has to get on room temperature or cold so that it comes out easily. As you can see here, a nice bite-sized snack. Here you go. I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and share your feedback. And then you see how easy this was. Just mix everything in one bowl and bake it for some time. And this fresh, healthy, nice breakfast recipe, or anytime you can use it as a snack recipe. So I hope you like this oats bites recipe, and do try it at home. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.